If you've never seen Vegas or heard of Vegas and you just got dropped in here, your mouth would never close. You would be awestruck. My name is Ted Wright. I work for Federal Heath Sign Company. I'm a sign installer. What I like best about my job is it's something different almost every day. Everybody's going bigger and better. So it's a good place to be.
Being a sign guy in Vegas is definitely the cream of the crop. This is all custom one-off stuff. It's all about being creative and making something that's better than the guys next door. You know, the sign industry has changed dramatically in the last 10 years. The neon going away is kind of a sad thing. It's something that people need to remember because it's an era.
I like the older signs better. I'm a neon man.
At Federal Heath, one of the things we take pride in is restoration. We take them in, we'll repaint them, refinish them. What's neat is how they did neon back 100 years ago is the same way they do it today. You're pumping argon or neon gas into a tube, but it's done by a craftsman. He's an artist. It's not something a machine can be taught to do. It's not something that a machine will ever do. It definitely has a human element to it.
It's the flash in this town that I think people like to come see. This town would not be Vegas without the signs. It would just be another town with big buildings.